at saka si Scarlett. Congratulations, Diana, Scarlett, and Zion. Okay, Cheyenne James. Tama ba? Cheyenne James. Oh! So good. Photogenic. Agree ba kayo? Photogenic daw. Ganda ng picture nila. Oh. Congratulations! Camera ready talaga sila. Oh, nakasmile na talaga siya. Si Sienna Scarlett. Oh. Our doctor and our businessman. And the parents, of course, we would like to call in the parents. I'm sorry. Napatingin na lang ako sa picture. Siyempre kasama parents, picture with the parents. Yan. Congrats! May bago na tayong picture frame sa wall. Siguro si Trolix bibigay din yung soft copy, no? Siyempre may soft copy yan pag FB. Okay, palakpakan naman po